but they all work the same, push fits. You just push the tube in and it's locked. They're good for about 20 bar, and they're reusable, so you just pull it and it comes out. And they come in various guises. You have the mouse studs, which come in various sizes, up to 12mm for the tube. They come with parallel thread, taper thread, metric thread, female, male elbows, which swivel so that when they're in place, they turn a bit stiff and then new. Equal elbows, T-pieces, reducing keys, threaded keys, joiners, unequal joiners where you have one tube one side, so 10mm coming out to feed an 8mm, Y-piece to give you 2 outlets, 1 input, banking plug that goes in the end of that to stop airflow, non-return valve, ball valve, venting ball valve, flow control, reducing stem, and 2 internal joiners, 2 sizes. That's a lot.